everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to be doing a product review on Emerge Back to Life hair mask. I found this product at Target and apparently it is newer to the market, and as y'all know, I am on the hunt for the perfect deep conditioner, and I am really hoping that this product works because it was only $6.99 for 15 ounces. That is a lot of product. My hair is freshly washed with no product in it, so let's get to it. I have read a lot of mixed reviews on this product, so let's see how it smells. I like it. I can't really describe what it smells like, but I like it. It smells good to me. Let me go ahead and read these directions. Apparently it is a deep conditioner and revive infused with almond oil, and it's for moisture rich, frizz-free curl definition. It says to apply a generous amount to damp hair from the roots to the ends, leave in for about 15 minutes, and then rinse with cool water. Use weekly. For a more intensive treatment, apply moderate heat. And that is what I plan to do. I will be sitting under my dryer once I have the product in my hair. I like for my hair to be soaking wet when I apply my deep conditioner, so that is why I'm adding so much water to my hair. The cream is definitely very thick, like it's thick, so that is a good thing. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. My hair is pretty much already soft, but I think it's starting to soften it a little bit more. I'm not 100% sure. I'm seeing a little bit of definition, not a lot that I normally see in other products, but it's defining it a bit. That's not my main concern. My main concern is about the moisture and making sure that after I rinse out the product that my hair is still soft and feeling very moisturized and hydrated. That is what I like to get from a deep conditioner. Just want to show you guys a close-up. I think it's defining my hair a bit. This is my hair without any products on it. So we'll be able to see if this is more defined. Okay, I have all the deep conditioner in my hair, and I think it is defining it a bit. I'm just anxious to see how soft my hair will be once I rinse it out. So I'm going to sit under my steamer with a cap on, and I will be back. I sat under my steamer for about an hour, and I'm going to show you guys my results. My hair does feel soft, and I would definitely say that my hair is like super defined right now. But again, I am waiting to see how my hair is going to feel after I rinse the product out. But it do feel soft, and the smell is still inside and everything. Now I'm going to rinse out my hair, and I will be back to show you the results and see how my hair feels after all this product is rinsed out. So the product is freshly washed out of my hair. I have nothing in it right now. Didn't mean to do that. And this is how my hair is looking. I definitely see the definition in my hair. Like, my hair, it curls up when I wet it, but not like this. Okay, so I will give this product a 8.5. And I give it that because when comparing this product to like a TGIN or one of my Shea Moistures that I have tried, I'm not seeing as much definition, and I'm not seeing as much softness. But don't get me wrong, my hair is very soft right now and it's very defined, but I've just seen I've seen two products so far that has had my hair have way more definition and way more softness. But when it comes to this product, it's very thick and I did not have to use a lot of it. Next time, I know that I don't have to use as much because the product actually works. It does what it's supposed to do. My hair does feel moisturized. The smell, I'm really loving the smell of this product. And I think overall, this product is amazing, and I'm definitely gonna go buy some more because again, even when I compare this product to TGIN or Shea Moisture, the price beats both of those. You cannot beat $6.99 for 15 ounces of a good deep conditioner. Like, I would take this any day over any Cantu products. I cannot stand Cantu deep conditioner. It did nothing for my hair, and I'm really loving what this product did for my hair. It is a good deep conditioner, and I do recommend buying it. I'm definitely gonna go buy me some more, and I'm excited to try their other products that they have. So again, overall, I do give this product an 8.5 out of 10, and I am looking forward to trying more of their products. So thank you all for watching. If you have any suggestions for me, if you know any other good deep conditioners that you want me to try, please let me know and I will try them. Just leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.